Hey guys, so we just moved in to our new apartment and I'm super excited. It's so homey and I have been literally decorating on my computer and like coming up with like different things that I want to do to this place for the past like 2 months. The first thing I wanted to do was show you my wall gallery. The way that it came together, I'm obsessed with it. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys the steps that it took me to do this, so you guys can actually create your own wall galleries, because I don't know, I just think they look so cute. Like I'm obsessed. So I wanted to show you guys how I did it. So yeah, if you guys want to see how to create your own wall gallery or how I made my wall gallery, then just keep on watching. So the first thing I did was I just went to Google and searched picture frame wall gallery and came across tons of different picture frame gallery sets to purchase, and I literally took hours and hours looking for the perfect set that I liked. But you guys can definitely go through and have fun with choosing your perfect fit. There's definitely a ton of websites. I'll have the one that I ordered down below if you guys want to check it out. As for the fun part, I went on the web, browsed the web and just collected a bunch of my favorite pictures that I came across that I could play around with. If it were me, I probably would have put every single picture on the wall, but my frames only came with 12 frames. So I definitely had fun, playing around with different options. But yeah, once I had my options, I actually set up the kind of like a draft of my picture frame set on my Keynote. Like, I found out what the sizes of the frames were and I just kind of placed the pictures how they would look on my wall, if that makes sense. And I just would like copy and paste different photos to see which one looked best. And after long awaiting, I finally came up with what I wanted. And so once I came up with what I wanted, I went to Photoshop and kind of sized out the photos. Since I didn't have a printer, I actually had to go to Kinko's, which actually was kind of difficult because the frames that I had got were like kind of like funky shaping. So I had to go to Kinko's a few times to make sure that they fit correctly, just because I'm a perfectionist and want it to look good and not bug me when it's like sitting on the wall. But it all paid off in the end. So yeah, once I went to Kinko's, I got everything printed out, and as you can see, I even changed it after the first time I went to Kinko's. The setup was a little bit different, so you're gonna see a few different pictures over here. But once I printed it out, I just aligned them with the frames and used a pencil to just kind of line it up with what I needed to cut out. And then once I cut out all the pictures, I placed them in the frames. And then I actually, 2 weeks later, I moved into a new place, but we just kind of skipped all that. But I moved all of the picture frames into my new apartment, and then I laid them out on the carpet just so I can see exactly where I'm gonna place them on the wall. So you guys are gonna see that right here. And then I took command strips. I was actually going to use nails to nail it into my wall, but when I took all the pictures and wall art at my old place, they all screwed up my walls for the most part. So I decided to go with command strips this time. So I basically just took the command strips. I got them from Target, and I took them and I placed them throughout all the picture frames. Obviously, I put more command strips on the bigger frames, and then on the little ones, I just did like 1 or 2 command strips per frame. And once I was finished sticking them all on, I just moved straight to the wall, and it was super easy, way easier than nails, and it was so much easier to even like align everything and make sure that nothing was crooked. Literally, definitely recommend command strips for picture frames if they are light. You don't want to go crazy with the command strips and hang something that's like super heavy and then it like falls off and breaks. So just keep that in mind. But for light frames, they are perfect and so easy. And yeah, if you guys end up doing this, definitely send me pictures because I've been obsessed with wall art gallery picture frame thingies. I don't even know how to say it right now, but yeah, I would love to see yours. And yeah, that's it for this video. Make sure to follow me on all my social media. It will all be listed down below. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye!